coming up in this video. So I've decided to take you a trip down memory lane where it all started. This will be a series, possibly up to 7 days. See where I'm coming from and where I'm at now. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all.
Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacy. So this video is about one day in my garden. What do gardeners do in the garden? This past week has been truly busy for me. I have not done much in my garden, and so it is a mess. Come along with me and see what I have to get done. So I have a lot to get done, and the yard needs raking, as you can see. This bed over here, I need to clean it up. I have my pumpkins right here. I need to get rid of these callaloo seeds right here. These were volunteer callaloo, but I'm going to start them out today. See my pumpkin coming up here. My sweet potato doing its thing. I need to curve it a little. See, I have leaf miners in here getting out of control. Look at that. And I have these lettuces to harvest and these spinaches. I have some coffee grounds tea over here. I need to water my corns with. And I have these lettuce seeds to harvest today. So guys, we have a lot to get done. This zinnia over here is suffering. I did not know that these marigolds would grow so tall. I'm going to take out these, put them in other places in my garden. I don't use my black holes because I sit on them to do my videos, but these, I recently put some lettuce seeds in there. Okay guys, so I have right here, I'm going to start, getting rid of the leaf miners. I have a bag right here. I'm literally searching for leaf miners. Let's start over here. Guys, I remember back in the days when I used to get rid of leaf miners in my garden. This is what I used to do. I used to take them off like this. And this is because I used to watch other people in their garden and they said to crush them and to get rid of them to make sure that they are far, far away from the garden. Because I was so upset. I placed it on the ground like this. Guys, I don't just crush. I did a lot of. I was so upset. Sure that the leaf miners felt it and I was done. Disappear, gone. So guys, I remember those days and I laughed about it. Guys, all you need to do is get them and seal the bag and empty it. That's it. So here am I still at it with the leaf miners, my biggest pet peeve in the garden. Uprooting the marigolds from this pot will be filtering them out in the garden. cleaning up my scallions a bit. Now it's time to get my lettuces. And these are icebergs. Also, I'm getting these farmers market mixed lettuces. Getting some spinaches right here. The more I harvest them, the more they grow. Now look at that. I am so thrilled. These zinnias have to go from this spot. Getting some stones to put in the bottom of the pot. So let's empty it out. Think I'll put some marigold in here instead. So the regular currants are not thriving as expected. So more nitrogen, here we go. No, when a girl gets tired, but is determined to get the work done, just let her be, okay? Come on. Getting rid of some decaying leaves right here. Harvesting some lettuce seeds. Now, let's get weeding here. Sweeping and raking at this point, I can't wait to finish. But wait, still haven't watered yet. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.
Catch me tomorrow for another in the series, 7 p.m. Jamaican time. See you then. Walk good.